Hello and welcome to my channel, dear viewers. Faith Cooks. Today's recipe, you can call it stuffed dum aloo, shahi dum aloo, or the avdi dum aloo. So here are the ingredients. This is the turmeric powder or the haldi powder, coriander powder or the dhania powder. This is the black rock salt or the kala namak, which we call in Hindi. This is the nutmeg and the mace powder, javitri and jaifal powder. To taste, half 1/4 spoon you can take. Normal table salt to taste. This is the cumin seed powder or the zira powder. Garam masala powder, I have given the recipe of 2 garam masalas, any you can use. Red chili powder to taste and black pepper powder. Green coriander, green chilies. These are the nuts, mixed nuts, almonds and the raisins, kishmish. This is the dry fenugreek leaves or the methi leaves, and this is the potatoes, I will tell you now. And this is the grated paneer or the cheese, and here I have given the recipe of the khoya or the mawa. Now I am not having, but if you want you can mix that also in this recipe. This is the peeled and the chopped and then grated onions, blended onions, tomato puree 1 bowl, and this is the potato which I took out from the potatoes, and this I will use in the gravy. I did not boil the potatoes in this recipe. Simply I peeled the potatoes, I cut them into half size. You can take the medium size of potatoes. I have these scoops and this scoop as well. It is available in every supermarket, or if you don't have, you can use the normal spoon with the edge like this, or you can use the knife, but please take care from the knife as it can hurt you. So I will tell you that you have to scoop this raw potato from the center and make it a ball and dip it in water. So you will scoop this out full from the center and make a hole like this, I will tell you. And here I forgot to tell you, I will use the fresh cream also in this recipe. So I have made this empty and it's like a bowl, as you can see, but the edges are this much thick. And then I fried them till the golden brown from inside, and from deep fried the potatoes. As you can see, as much you want to prepare, you can make these bowls first. Empty the raw potatoes, not the boiled, and then the edges, as you can see, the corners, and then you fry them till golden brown like this. And you need the thread also. And as you can see, this is the potatoes I have dipped in water so that they may not turn black into the water. From inside I make the small pieces which we will use in the gravy. So here I am making the stuffing for the dum aloo. So this is the grated paneer. I am adding the kasuri methi or the dry fenugreek leaves. I just want to show how I fried the one potato. From see inside hot oil is also there, and we have to fry not in the little oil but like this, so that it can be fried golden from the inside also, and then you have to cool it down. Usually the frying of the potatoes takes 10 to 12 minutes or 15 minutes or on the medium gas. Here now in this batter, after fenugreek leaf, I am adding red chili powder to taste as much you want. Here goes the 1 bowl of mixed nuts, salt to taste, garam masala powder to taste. Now I will mix it well. Now I am taking this potato, fried potato, golden potato, and I am filling the stuffing into it. As you can see, I am filling the stuffing in every potato. I will fill the stuffing like this. When you are filling, just press it down tightly. Just press it down tightly so that it gets stick to the base. As you can see, I have finished all the stuffing. Now what I will do, these are the half potatoes filled with the stuffing. I will join them together and I will tie them like this. Hold them tightly and tie them with the thread. From not so tightly, but just they may not open in the while we will cook them from all the sides, because afterwards we can cut them with the scissor or the knife. Now I will do the same thing with all the potatoes, and I will just wrap the potatoes, stuffed potatoes, with the thread. Here I am taking the another potato, I am joining, and again I am taking the thread as you can see, and I am wrapping it all over the stuffed potatoes. When you are making such dishes, it takes time and patience, and you have to be particular about the steps, and then you will relish the recipes. So I will do with the rest of the potatoes. Here I have taken the olive oil in my pressure cooker, and it is the whole garam masala, bay leaf, and the big cardamom, small cardamom, cloves, and I am adding this to the oil. As they are crackling, I am adding this onion puree, and here goes the one spoon of garlic ginger paste. I am using fresh cream in this recipe, or the khoya. You can use the malai also in this recipe. Here I am adding little water. Here I am adding the green chilies to taste, red chili to taste, red chili powder, black pepper powder, nutmeg and mace powder, javitri and jaifal powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Here goes the Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala powder, black rock salt, cumin seed powder, asafoetida or the hing, kasuri methi or the dry fenugreek leaves, and salt to taste. I would suggest that when you mix all these masalas, please switch off your gas, otherwise the masalas will burn, and then you add them, and then on sim gas you fry them a little. And now I will be adding tomato puree to it. As I am frying the masala, I am also adding 1 spoon of sugar. I am covering this and frying the masala so that the taste and the flavor and the color will come. I am covering it and cooking. As you can see, the oil is coming up and the masala is frying nicely. At this point of time, I am adding 1/4 cup of milk, and I am adding the cream, half cup. You can use malai also. These I will put the missing ingredients in my ingredient list, because the ingredient list is so big, sometimes I forget to put, but I will put the ingredient list in my video. Now I will be covering it and cooking again. As the masala is boiling in the cream and in milk, these potatoes which came out from the stuffing which I made empty, I am adding these potatoes to the gravy. And mawa or the khoya will also go in this recipe I have given, but now I am not having, so I am not adding. But if you want, you can look at the recipe and you can add the khoya half cup into it. This is the same mouth watering recipe which you eat in the marriages and in the parties, stuffed dum aloo, and it's very delicious. Hope you try it once, and every time you would like to make it in your home for your family and friends in your parties. As you can see, my masala is very well done. Golden brown color has come. Now I am spreading the masala, and I am adding the stuffed potatoes to it. As you can see, I have added the potatoes. I will not put a spoon again and again. And here I am adding half to as much gravy I want in the center. I am putting half or 1 glass of water. We will not touch the potatoes. I am simply adding water, and from the sides I am mixing the water into the gravy and making the water to go on all the sides. As much gravy I want. As you can see the water content. Now I am closing my pressure cooker, and I will wait on medium high till 1 whistle comes, and I will switch off the gas. As the whistle will come, first whistle will come, I will not open the lid until and unless its steam will come out itself. I will not open the pressure cooker. On medium to slow flame, we will let the 1 whistle come. I am checking, all steam has gone. I gave 2 whistles. Now I am opening my lid. And as you can see the wonderful color, golden color, now I will be dishing it out slowly and gradually with soft hands, and I will sprinkle the green coriander.